fame seekers. Fame seekers who go to Twitter, Bismillah, now I'm going for tahajjud. Akhi, what is this? I'm shocked with people on their social media platforms. And now I'm in Kaaba. This is Kaaba, Haram. And this is my ihram. It feels so good. I feel so close to Allah. I'm so cool. After a while, I'm now shaving my head. Look, whoa, what are you doing? Seriously, what are you doing? Sheikh, I'd like to share these moments with the people. No, akhi, you want to be famous. You want to be recognized. You don't need to do this. Unfortunately, social media is a platform for people seeking fame. So whatever, Sheikh bin Baz has a social media. So Sheikh bin Baz says a fatwa, you comment, I don't think this fatwa is right. Excuse me? Who's talking? Oh, no, this is too extreme. This is, subhanallah. In the old days, like 7, 8 centuries ago, in the Hajj season, the Haram was fully packed. There comes a nomad, a Bedouin, with a bag of feces, crap. And he came close to the Kaaba and he wants to put it on the walls of the Kaaba. Of course, immediately the Hujjaj, the pilgrims, took hold of him and beat the heck out of him. And then they took him to the judge. So he stood in front of the judge. And when the judge read his crime, he said, A'udhu Billah, are you a Muslim? He said, yes. He said, if you're a Muslim, what were you thinking? Why were you doing such a heinous act? Tarnishing and soiling the Kaaba with feces? He said, well, I wanted to be known among the people, even if they curse me. So they would say to each other, do you remember this cursed Allah il'anu, this guy who tried to do this last season? So they recognize him. Fame is the name of the game. All those on platforms want to be famous. This is problematic, akhi. Now, lots of us want to become famous. They just comment without any knowledge, just in order to be famous. And this is problematic. Always ask your intention and check your soul. Why am I doing this?